Grab. Modemunch presents Fight. So I went to Hungry Jacks today because I'm sick of cooking chicken. So what to get? How about 100% Aussie beef flame grilled that gives you the irresistibly smoky barbecue flavour, loaded with crisp fresh lettuce, ripe hand-cut tomatoes, onion, pickles, mayo and tomato sauce on a toasted sesame seed bun. Yep, I'm getting me a Whopper. Once you get it out of the box, as you can see, it looks almost identical to the actual advertisement. Well done, Hungry Jacks. Well done. The bun's obviously not burnt. Plum tomato, plenty of lettuce on there, right ratio of condiments, $10cm in width, and at $6.50 it's worth every penny. I should be able to make it cheaper, that I have every confidence in. The question remains, will it taste as good? I'm Chris from blah blah blah, and this is another fast food fight. Today I'm shopping at Coles. Why? Because it's close to home and I'm lazy. So chuck down some baking paper, roll and flatten out the seasoned patty on the paper. Cover it up and whack it with a rolling pin. Make it nice and skinny so it'll cook a bit easier. Next you want to measure your bread roll up against the patty. Trim off any excess meat. Make sure that the patty is a little bit larger because it will shrink when it's heated. Next you want to toast your bun under the grill. And then place your meat on the barbecue. I'm using rice brown oil on the grill plate so the meat doesn't stick. If you don't have a barbie, use a fry pan. Honestly, it won't taste as good as a flame grilled, so just make do with what you've got. So, while your meat's cooking, you've got roughly 3 minutes to wash and shred your lettuce, cut 2 thick slices off your tomato, and 2 big onion rings with the centers removed. Now it's time to check your meat. When the juices are rising to the top, flip it. You're going to know when it's ready. Now you're looking for those grill lines on the top. Leave it to rest for about a minute. Now the only possible way that I can make this taste remotely better than the Whopper from the store is to play around with the ratios and condiments. So here we go. Start with the heel, add your patty, shred lettuce, 2 decent onion rings, add mayonnaise to the crown of the bun, add roughly 1 tablespoon of ketchup and onion rings, add more lettuce to the crown of the bun. Then 2 thick cuts of juicy tomato. Now holding down the tomato with your thumbs firmly, perform a reverse flip, and voila! The perfect, thick, soft, succulent... Ah, fuck! I forgot the gherkin! Now take the top off. 1, 2, 3... 4 slices of gherkin on there, and put the top back on. Wicked. All that and it came in at under $4. I'm Chris from Modemunch. See you next weekend. Oh, you did, please subscribe. Grab.
This is gherkin!
Grab.